Here we go. New Jersey Devils 218, Kyle. Personal box 15-16 Artie. Three boxes remaining for the case. No black parallels yet. Kyle, let's see what we pull here. All right, got a Sapphire rookie coming. All right. Weird. Shane Prince, 61 of 85, Sapphire rookie. Shane Prince. Pack 2. Rookie of Anthony Stolarz. $9.99. Not familiar with Stolarz. Here comes your Ruby, the $3.99 of Jonathan Toews. Jonathan Toews. And $9.99 a rookie of Stefan Noesen. Stefan Noesen, you get 3 rookies? Wow. Impressive. I'll take a rookie all day. All right. Oh, you got an emerald. You got an emerald. It's green. Man, this has been a killer half case for the rookie redemptions. Emerald jersey patch. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Could it be? Could it be? I don't know where the 1 starts, but man, we are pretty close to the middle of this card. That's all I know. Oh, number 2. Still pretty good. No, I knew it was a 1. I just didn't know if it was close enough to the middle of the card to be 1. I mean, that's still good. It's no McDavid, but I forget who number 2 is. Domi's 3. How come he's easy to remember and 2's not? Next, Tyler Seguin and Jamie Benn. Larkin. That's it. Larkin. No, it's not Eichel. Eichel's not in the numeral set. Draz, this is a personal break. We did hockey a while back. I'll let you know your team here in a minute. Semyon Varlamov, the 125. And Kyle. Damn, we haven't had a patch in a while either. Is this going to be an autograph? Oh, no, it's a rookie. Because that was a hit. Duh. The other redemption was a hit. And your rookie redemption is Columbus. Kyle, there you have it, man.